Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Eyes on Your 96. I'm Mehak here. So today is the second day of Navratri and also the second video of glam makeup tutorial. So this is how it turned out. It's gonna be simple plus wearable and it's a brown nude kind of makeup look. I hope you love this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So I'm starting with my eye look first, and for that I'm using the Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick. It also acts as a concealer. And now to set it, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Compact. And then for eyeshadow, I'm using the Maybelline Rock Nude palette, the brown shade, and blending it well. And then using a clean fluffy brush and then going through the eyeshadow and blending it out. And then with the help of the lash curler, I'm curling my lashes and applying the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. You can see the difference now, like with and without mascara. Look, oh my god. And to prep my skin, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Anti-Redness Primer. And for foundation, I'm using the Superstay by Maybelline. And for concealer, I'm using the Sugar Ace of Face concealer. This also brightens up my under eye area. And to set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And now to contour, I'm using the same eyeshadow. And you look the difference, like with the contour and without contour. Look, oh my god. I'm also contouring my nose because it's important. My nose is broad. And then I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Compact again and cleaning up the edges because I want that V shape, the sharp shape. And for blush, I'm using the Color Bar blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. Like this matches the contour, so I just wanted something which matches the contour and which blends it out well. And for highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. And I'm sorry for the lights fluctuating because this is a natural light, I can't help it. And highlighter, I love this highlighter because this is a huge pan and also this highlighter is bomb with affordable price. For lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Masaba collection in the shade Nimbu Pani. So this is how this makeup look turned out. I hope you love this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So day 1 and day 2 basically were two simple glam makeup tutorial, and from day 3 it's gonna be step 2, like these were the basics and now it's gonna be heavy kind of glam tutorial. So for that, stay tuned and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. Bye.